Hello guys, Theocost here, back with another Python tutorial for beginners. Today we're going to be looking at making programs easier to read. And let me just embiggen this PDF so we can see what this says. Last section we looked at indentation as a way of making your code easier to read. In the development section of A453. Now this is referring to for this qualification in GCSE computing. There's a section called A453. Which is a programming task, and this task, one of the requirements is the code will be well organized with meaningful variable names and detailed annotation indicating the function of each section. Now, this is only just for the exams, this is also common practice for real-life programming. You shouldn't be given variables which have crappy, unmeaningful names. Annotation in your code would usually be a form of commenting. A comment is purely for the person reading it. The computer completely ignores comments, but they make your program so much more understandable to anyone trying to follow your code. The key to good commenting is assuming the reader is a competent programmer but doesn't know what your program is meant to do. There's a fine art being able to strike the right balance between under and over commenting. Commenting in Python is done using the hash character, which I've shown you guys previously. A comment can be put at the end of a line or on a line by itself. So basically, you can put the comment over here below the line. You could put it like right next over here. Well, I can't actually edit this document, but you could put like right over here. Well, right outside of it. I don't really have a tool to show you that, but like right outside the bracket. A comment can be put, pretty one for that. The real thing you should consider is your variable names. Names like A, B, C are fine in trivial 4-line programs. As your program gets bigger, it becomes quite confusing and quickly confusing. Meaningful names help make your code much more readable. So, this is the only section. So let's go through this. So let's copy out this. So, let's copy out this. Let's read that. Okay. Let's start not indenting that. Let's start doing some indenting. So just press tab, 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 tab. Just press the tab button. Now indent those. Not like that. No, don't do that. Like this. That's what I meant. Okay. Let's just do some lovely spacing. So let's go through this code. Question to ask the user, the capital of France. If that's good. Else Leon handle common wrong answer and any other wrong answer. Nice touch some spaces in between there. There we go. And that just makes your code easier to understand. And you probably city is not even defined, guys. What the hell are you not talking about? Let me just define city quickly. Actually, let me input city. That's probably what this should be. Actually, an input. City equals input. Okay. Just fixing the code. So as you can see, the comments do not interfere. They've not interfered with the program. The program still runs as fine. It does not at all interfere. London. Yes, it doesn't actually interfere. It's just there to help someone to look at your code, a programmer, probably, or your teacher, I don't know, to look at your code and understand it without quickly, really, instead of having to look at every single piece of line. You can just scan through, understand what it's supposed to do. And this is very important because you yourself might get confused. If your code becomes very, very long, you might start becoming confused over what exactly is supposed to be done over here. See, this section is quite short, I don't think there's anything else. This section is quite short. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys very soon when we look at iteration. Goodbye.